Alright guys, I just want to share something. It's a short, quick, easy video, and it's a safety one. You may say a PSA. And when you're working on your Samsung dryer, I want you to be super careful, especially when you're removing the door switch. The door switch lives right here on this front panel. You do have to remove these clips to bring it forward, and you have enough leeway to move it forward enough, but be super careful on this edge. This edge is very sharp. Samsung, if you're listening or seeing or somebody, you guys should really, and I've seen this on several of their units now, I'm always careful. So be super careful. I'm going to show you how sharp this thing is. It will cut you. It really will. It will slice you. So depending on your angle of attack, when you pull this, it will slice you if your hand is resting here. So be on the safe side. Either long sleeves, have something here, or work very smart and away from this edge, but it will cut you. Let me demonstrate. I couldn't figure out what else to use to demonstrate how sharp this thing is. Straw is pretty good. Now we're talking about this edge, which is what your hand or wrist will come in contact with. And let's just start with the straw. Look at that. Cut it right off. Now imagine your hand, which is soft. It is super sharp. Now over here is where you're probably going to be anyways, but it is all sharp. Super sharp. All right guys, it's not worth getting hurt working on your machine. And when you're done, this machine is being chunked, so we're not going to repair it. It's too badly damaged. But as you're working on your machine, let me show you what to do to stop that. All right, I was looking for 180 grit. This will still work, or if you have a file or something you can use. And before you put your machine back together, just get it along the edge. Sandpaper, I think, will do a great job as well. Just don't damage the top of your machine, but you definitely want to get this stuff dealt with. Safety is just as important as repairing, if not more. And be careful as well as you're doing this. Your finger could slip and you can end up with a cut, so be super careful. Much better. I can feel the edges. Wow. Oh yeah, I'm not scared to move my finger now along the edge. Much better. And this is being chunked, but this is for you guys. Now let's see. We're gonna run the straw back again. Nothing. Look, it's not even marking it. Now let's go underneath and see if we can get a cut. It might still be sharp deep under. No, look at that, barely scratching. So, much better guys. I feel better knowing that I'm helping somebody not to get cut, because I've gotten cut on these. And when I was taking this apart, I almost got. And I said, you know what? Let me share this, because I can save your arteries. We do not want to get those ripped open. All right, so we have a Samsung dryer here, guys. Now, somebody just ran this machine. The felt is off the front and is totally destroyed. Now, look at this. These machines will last, but you know, when you run them like this, you don't do your maintenance on them. Idler is still sort of. Look at that. Rollers, take a look. That's a bad roller, guys. That's horrible. This dryer was screaming. That one is still decent. Look at the motor, full of lint. I'm hoping I was gonna see some money in these. They do happen, guys, but this is not how we make our money. Look at this junk. You know, come on, don't do this to your machine, please. And also, guys, when you open these things up, don't listen to those folks or geniuses that tell you can come through the back end and work on your machine. Please, please, open your machine from the front, examine your rollers, idler, probably will have to change your element, blow your motor out, clean the blower housing here, get all that blown out and vacuumed, and put your machine back together nicely, and your machine will last you a long time. Do not oil those. Any genius that tells you that you should oil those, do not. Okay? What happens when you do, they will get lint and start to bind up. Don't do it. Now, let's see what these in the front. Oh, the front ones. Oh, still good. So, all right, this was just a safety thing. Also, while we're talking about safety, check your cord. This dryer, the cord is a 3-wire. There it is. It was hooked up, but it did not have a ground. So make it a point. Safety is number one in everything. Nothing is worth your life. If this unit had a short, and the short would go to the body and travel back to the breaker, tripping the breaker instantly, keeping you safe. When this does not occur and you have a short, it's almost impossible for the breaker to trip. So the body becomes energized because the short is now your pathway back to source, which is the breaker. And electricity will take all available path, all including your body. So be super careful. I just wanted to share that. So keep your dryer clean, do your maintenance on it. Don't go through the back. All right, guys. Thanks for watching.